Hey friends, Caitlin here, Snapback Nutrition Educator in Waldo County, Maine. Today we're going to make some crunchy Asian wraps. This is really fun and really easy to put together. So we're going to start with the sauce. Started with a little bit of mayo. If you don't like mayo, you can totally sub it for yogurt or sour cream, something like that. Then I went in with some olive oil and some soy sauce. I like it spicy, so I added plenty of chili flakes. That's a little bit of sesame oil, which adds this rich, nutty flavor to it. A couple little drops of agave. You could sprinkle in some sugar, you could use honey, you could use stevia, whatever you're into. Then I went in with some garlic and some ginger, some sesame seeds, and then just whisk that all together. It's pretty thin. It's not like a thick, mayo-y dressing or like what you would think of for like a regular chicken salad. And then we're going to have some mandarin oranges in this wrap, so I actually added a little bit of the juice from the jar. It was in 100% juice and not a syrup, so I thought, why not? We'll add a little extra flavor. Then I actually poached a chicken breast in some water. You bring the water to a boil, and then you shut the heat off, but leave the pan on the heat, and you add a chicken breast to it for about 20 minutes. Just take a temperature when you're done to make sure that it's all cooked through. But I added a little bit of soy sauce and a little ginger to the water, so it was really nice. Then we're going to start in with our crunch. So I added some sugar snap peas. They're going to add a lovely brightness and a crunch and some vegetables. It's going to be great. Then I went and just finely sliced some green onion, scallions, whatever you like to call them. Then I added a bunch of mandarin oranges. Now these, kind of deter from the crunch. They take away a little bit from the crunch. So add as you like, I guess. I really like the fruitiness in it, but if it's too squishy for your crunch wrap, feel free to dial back on the oranges. Then I have a whole wheat tortilla here. I love these things. I keep them around all the time. I'm gonna lay down a bed of greens. Not only is this adding more vegetables to our lunch, but it's also gonna prevent the extra juices from the chicken salad from totally sogging through the wrap. Then I laid down some cucumbers, more crunch, more vibrance, more vegetables. And then I'm just going to top it with some of our yummy chicken salad. Make sure I get a little bit of that dressing on there. Oh, it's so good. And then I have some crunchy wonton strips. You can totally skip this, but you can find them in the salad dressing aisle next to the croutons and other salad toppers. And there you have it. We have an Asian-inspired crunchy lunch wrap. Now, I love this so much. I hope you enjoy it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you could take a minute to subscribe, it really helps us out. As always, head to mainsnapad.org for more. And while you're there, if you'd like to receive texts with tips on how to shop, cook, and eat healthy on a budget, check out the link in the description box below.